Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di acara Icip-icip Internasional dan hari ini cuacanya cerah. Ini adalah sambungan dari episode kemarin ya, yang makan jengkol dan nangka rendang. Nah, kali ini untuk dessertnya, karena mereka sudah menanti ya, karena panas-panas begini, ini saya akan kasih es teler. Nah, kemarin itu mereka makan rendang nangka, itu nangka muda, dan es teler ini ada nangka juga, nangka yang sudah mateng. Jadi kira-kira mereka bingung nggak ya dengan buah nangka itu? Maklumlah kalau di Inggris ini nggak ada yang tahu buah nangka, pemirsa, yang orang-orang di sini ya, kecuali orang-orang yang sudah mix atau apa mungkin tahu. Nah, itu juga nangka, nggak ada jual nangka seger di sini, adanya nangka kalengan. Jadi hari ini cocok banget. Jadi mereka bisa merasakan dalam satu hari buah nangka yang berbeda antara muda dan nangka mateng. Oke, kalau gitu hari ini saya bawain dulu es telernya. Nah, ini pemirsa, es teler spesial, pakai banget ya, karena bahan-bahan seperti ini susah sekali untuk didapat di Inggris, yang ada dari bahan kaleng-kalengan, kecuali alpukatnya menjadi hasil es teler seperti ini. Kalau di Indonesia sih lengkap segala ada. Kalau ini cukup ada yang poin-poin pentingnya ya, yang pasti ada nangkanya dan ada kelapa muda. Oke, kalau gitu pemirsa, kira-kira mereka menyukai nggak ya minuman-minuman seperti ini? Karena tidak ada juga minuman yang seperti ini pemirsa di Inggris ini. Oke, kalau gitu, nah sekarang ini saya ada di dapur orang atau di rumah orang, untuk review bagaimana reaksi mereka setelah makan jengkol atau aromanya atau gimana. Itu belum ya, karena ini satu episode dengan yang kemarin itu digabung, jadi belum ada reaksinya. Nanti minggu depan kalau saya ada jadwal ke dokter gigi lagi, nanti saya tanyain. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang kita lihat reaksi mereka makan es teler ini. Oke, saya juga mau makan es teler ini. Makan di rumah orang atau di dapur orang, yang terserah. Mau makan es teler ini, enak banget nih pemirsa.
Mix it up.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Mix it up first.
Mix it.
Yeah.
Oh, got two spoons. Avocado. What's got avocado in?
Guess what inside?
Oh, we've got ice, coconut milk, red kidney beans, mango.
Red kidney.
Yeah. Coconut.
No mango. Yes,
No mango.
coconut. Yes.
Oh, is it
Avocado.
avocado?
Yes. Mix up first.
pineapple.
Call it.
Oh wow, so yeah, coconut, mango, grapes.
No mango. No grape.
Ooh, okay.
So what's the orange fruit then that isn't mango?
Oh yes, that the orange. Try the orange.
Oh, they're like little nuts or raisins or something, aren't
No.
Mm.
Do you know what is the orange, the yellow one?
No.
Jackfruit.
No.
Jackfruit. Yeah.
That's really nice. That is.
Different
they?
taste.
So is it only the spicing then that made yours different?
No, the jackfruit what you ate before is young jackfruit.
Okay.
So the color is white. So when they are ripe, become yellow. Jackfruit is a fruit that has two distinct tastes. This is young jackfruit in the tin. Young jackfruit is white and has no taste and can be cooked as vegetable for a side dish. Ripe jackfruit in the tin. Ripe jackfruit is yellow color, tastes sweet, can be eaten directly like a fruit and can be processed like into the dessert. Two different things and different tastes also. Wow. This is the first time you try jackfruit, the ripe jackfruit.
Yeah.
It's very calming after you've had like a spicy meal. Kind of like settles your tummy and...
It's delicious.
Refreshing. We call Teler. Oh, thank you. What do you think?
Why is that?
I never would have thought of putting kidney beans in a dessert. That's amazing, but they work. They taste nice.
Yeah, we eat kidney bean for dessert, not for meal.
I know that avocado works really well.
And mango.
No, kind of milkshake.
Oh, what is it? Pineapple.
Tasty.
No.
Jackfruit.
Yes,
It's jackfruit.
jackfruit.
Wow.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. That is.
It's a bit like pineapple or mango, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That strands of... It is coconut, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's coconut.
Water.
Young coconut, not coconut for the cooking. That is the young one.
Okay.
Oh, it's really nice.
Is it just coconut milk that it's in, or...?
A condensed milk.
Yeah.
That's really cold. Oh, Yuni, this is so nice. Thank you.
It's lovely. And it's quite funny because condensed milk isn't really fashionable in the UK. It's always something that you might think your grandparents might have used to cook with, but I don't think I've ever bought it.
Oh, I buy it.
What do you use it for?
To make fudge and to make toffee.
You can get the caramel condensed. Have you seen the caramel one? I use it with caramel for cakes.
You can use it for like banoffee pudding or banoffee pie.
Exactly what I use it for.
It's so nice.
Sorry. I'll just dive in. I don't think I'll get a second one. I'm feeling really quite full today. Oh, that was really lovely. Thank you so much. The highlight of the kind of the fortnight or whatever. Really amazing. Thank you so much, and thank you to the people who sent us in some lovely ingredients to have a go at as well.
Did you ever use that? My friends have read that. I'll make it and then I'll video.
Yes, please.
It's good. Yeah, I would have the other one, but I don't know. I don't know if I'll make it through the afternoon. I'm a patient here as well, so I'm going to go. Lovely, thank you so much. It's
My
adorable.
pleasure. My pleasure.
Oh, amazing.
Okay, my pleasure. Yes, you need drinking a lot of water after eat the jengkol.
And those on the CD?
Yes.
Is that in short?
Yeah, yes, my pleasure. Don't forget to take the video.
I'll take a video when I
Yeah,
cook it.
I will post in my video.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So, what do you think? You quiet?
It's really nice. Just fine. It's so like with the jackfruit and kidney beans, I call it peas. And avocado and obviously like the cake, it's different. It's so different. Yeah.
It's very refreshing.
You wouldn't put those items together as a dessert. But it's it's really nice. It really works. Yeah. The coconut milk was really sweet, nice. I like.
So jackfruit, you never try jackfruit?
No fruit.
It's not fine. It's so nice. I absolutely love it.
Different, is it? The young one, with the ripe one, yes?
Yeah.
It tastes like pear.
What, the one, no?
Yeah, it just tastes like pear.
To me, it tastes like a mix of pineapple and mango in a way.
Yes, for me also pineapple and mango.
Yeah.
It's really nice though.
Good.
Yes, I like it.
But when the young jackfruit, it looks like beef.
Yeah.
But when they are ripe, it looks like
They look like a
mango.
fruit. That's crazy. That's insane.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Good.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Everyone subscribe.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Definitely.
I like your nails.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, lovely.
I mean, these are my natural nails. Because
Don't tell the boss. Yeah. But thank you, this has been delicious.
Yeah.
Really like it.
It's good. You enjoy it. Yeah.
It's healthy, it's enjoyable, it's refreshing.
Thank you for this.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. My pleasure.
Oh, it's amazing.
Jadi pemirsa, mereka semuanya bingung ya antara rasa rasa nangka yang udah mateng dengan nangka yang masih mentah. Rendang nangka dan nangka jadi es teler, semuanya menyukai, selalu pokoknya mereka. Oke, segitu aja video hari ini, es telernya dengan nangka yang pertama kali mereka makan, dan juga video sebelumnya nangka rendang. Jadi sama-sama nangka, ternyata rasanya berbeda setelah nangkanya muda dan nangka matang. Oke, segitu aja video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Bye.